Now, amid the political storm over Nishikant Dube's remarks, BJP National President JP Nadda issued a statement distancing the party from the BJP MP statement. As Nadda said that BJP has nothing to do with the statements made by Nishikant Dube or even Dinesh Sharma on the judiciary or the Chief Justice of India, and the remarks are personal. Rejecting their statements outright, JP Nadda asserted that BJP always has respected the judiciary and considers the courts as an integral part of a democracy. As in his statement, he's also said that he has instructed party leaders to refrain from making such controversial statements. Let's, in the meantime, take a look exactly when it comes to JP Nadda and his statement that he has made. As far as this comes as an embarrassing position for the party, as the party over the controversial comments that have been made by their own party leaders, in fact, who are parliamentarians, the BJP national president has to issue a statement clearing the air. Let's, in the meantime, take a look what BJP national president, also a union minister, JP Nadda, has to say. Let's put that out for our viewers. भाजपा सांसद निशिकांत दुबे और दिनेश शर्मा का न्यायपालिका एवं देश के चीफ जस्टिस पर दिए गए बयान से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। ये इनका व्यक्तिगत बयान है, लेकिन भाजपा ऐसे बयानों से ना तो कोई इत्तेफाक रखती है, ना भी कभी ऐसे बयानों का समर्थन करती है। भाजपा इन बयान को सिरे से खारिज करती है. So rejecting as far as the statements and the comments that have been made by the two BJP MPs. He further goes on to say that the भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने सदैव ही न्यायपालिका का सम्मान किया है और उनके आदेशों को और सुझावों को सहर्ष स्वीकार किया है, और क्योंकि एक पार्टी के नाते हमारा मानना है कि सर्वोच्च न्यायालय सहित देश के सभी अदालतों का हमारे लोकतंत्र का अभिन्न अंग है तथा संविधान के संरक्षण और मजबूत आधारस भी है। और यहीं पर अगर इस तरह से बात की जाए तो मैंने इन दोनों को और सभी को ऐसा बयान ना देने के लिए निर्देशित किया है. So he is going on to say that he is directed when it comes to the two leaders or the MPs of the BJP not to make or give such controversial statements. So a warning that is now coming in. Sabyasachi, good morning, from the BJP national president. First, as far as maintaining distance, saying that these are personal views, but also taking responsibility for their own MP, saying that they have now been directed to mind their words.
Well, that's right. See, a stern warning has come in from the BJP national president, JP Nadda. In fact, straight away, he has said that both the leaders, Nishikant Dube and Dinesh Sharma and other BJP leaders, the message has been very much clear from the High Command that they should refrain from giving any sort of controversial remarks as far as the Waqf hearing is concerned. Meanwhile, the BJP has distanced itself. On the other hand, they also have given a stern warning to the BJP leaders across the country. In fact, the BJP also says that this is the personal remark that has come in from a member of parliament, Nishikant Dube and Dinesh Sharma, and the party has nothing to do with it. Now, a series of attack has come in from the opposition side, specifically if we talk about the Congress, where time and again the Congress says that efforts are being made in the country to weaken the Supreme Court. The Congress went on to say that the statement given by Mr. Nishikant Dube is derogatory in nature and it is not acceptable. And some of the Congress leaders in fact stated that it is unfortunate the kind of statement that is coming in from the BJP leaders, and it is the BJP who's trying to incite religious war in the country.
Clarification being issued by the BJP national president JP Nadda, saying that these views are personal as that of the BJP MPs. However, a warning that has also been issued not just to them but other leaders as well to be mindful of the statements, especially when it comes to commenting on the judiciary or on the Chief Justice of India. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for the moment for joining.